Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we've got a box opening. It is for a WatchGang Platinum membership for May 2018. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check. See that I am wearing a Seiko. To be honest, I don't remember the actual model number of this one, but it is nicknamed the 50 Fathoms. I'm still getting to know this one a little bit. But stay tuned, I will be doing a review on this one at some point. Well, let's go ahead and crack this open. As you guys know, the Platinum membership from WatchGang is $299. Now, to be honest, I wasn't expecting a Platinum membership watch this month. I thought I had skipped it. I've never actually canceled my membership. I usually just skip the months. And I guess I didn't skip this one. So hopefully I've got something pretty cool because I wasn't anticipating it. But that's the way it goes. I've noticed with a lot of subscription companies, looks like this is the same poster I got in my black membership. Pretty cool. With a lot of subscription companies, they tend to make it a little bit more difficult to cancel your membership. They usually have a skip, and then you forget to skip, and then you end up with a watch, which is exactly what happened to me. So let's see what we got here. A Tellus. Tellus? I'm not super familiar with this one. Let's take a look. Pretty nice box. Yeah, it looks... I don't know if it's scuffed up from the packaging in the other box, but pretty nice box. Tellus Automatic. It's funny because my other watch, my WatchGang Black watch, was black as well, but on a kind of a weird leather strap. This one's on a, a black coated stainless with a butterfly clasp. I don't know if I'm going to pull all this plastic off or not, because sometimes the plastic is a pain. But let's see what we got. Alright guys, now that I've got all the plastic off, we'll take a little bit of a quick look at it. I can tell you I like the texturing on the dial. We got Swiss made down at the bottom there. I've never been a huge fan of end links that don't meet up to the case, but we've got the serial number there. It's a pretty thick, burly case on this one. And take a look at the back. We've got parentheses. Trying to read that from behind the camera, a little tricky. Parentheses by Tellus, Swiss made, water resistant, stainless steels, patent protected, sapphire lens, model 1065. It's got like just a butterfly clasp. Be interesting to see how the finish holds up. I love all black watches, but I do not have good luck with the finishing holding up. I tend to get desk rash really well, or tend to get desk rash a lot. Got a logoed crown, a little bit different case design. It is weird though, that display case back feels kind of plasticky, honestly. For being, I don't know if it's got sapphire front and rear, but the rear case back is just a little different. Pretty cool overall though. Be interesting to look this one up because I really don't know a whole lot about it. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always guys, thanks for watching.